Traditional Spanish foods. Traditional Spanish cuisine is known for its rich and diverse flavors, with each region of Spain having its own unique culinary traditions and specialties. Some common elements you'll find in Spanish cuisine include olive oil, garlic, tomatoes, and a wide variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, and seafood. Spain is a major wine-producing country, known for its red wines such as Rioja and Tempranillo. Sangria, a fruity wine punch, is also a popular choice. Spain is one of the world's largest producers of olive oil, and it is a fundamental ingredient in Spanish cooking. It's used for frying, sauté, and dressing salads, among other things. Spanish cuisine is known for its delicious flavors, regional diversity, and a commitment to using quality ingredients. Whether you're enjoying the vibrant street food culture, savoring a multi-course meal in a traditional restaurant, or exploring local markets, Spain offers a wide range of culinary experiences for food enthusiasts. Here are some iconic dishes and ingredients associated with traditional Spanish cuisine. Paella. Paella is a popular Spanish dish that originated in the Valencia region of Spain. It is a flavorful and colorful rice dish known for its vibrant mix of ingredients, including rice, saffron, and a variety of proteins and vegetables. Paella is traditionally cooked in a wide, shallow pan called a paellera, over an open flame, which helps create a characteristic crispy layer of rice at the bottom, known as socarrat. The preparation of paella involves sauté the vegetables and proteins in the paellera, then adding the rice and saffron, followed by the broth. The mixture is simmered until the rice is cooked and has absorbed the flavors, and the dish is allowed to develop the coveted socarrat at the bottom. There are various regional variations of paella in Spain, each with its own unique ingredients and flavors. Tortilla Española. Tortilla Española, also known as Spanish omelette or Spanish tortilla, is a classic and beloved dish in Spanish cuisine. Despite its name, it is quite different from the Mexican or Central American tortillas. Spanish tortilla is essentially a type of thick, round, and hearty potato and egg omelette. Tortilla Española is often served as a tapa, appetizer, or as a main dish, and it can be enjoyed hot or at room temperature. It's a versatile dish that can be customized by adding ingredients like red peppers, chorizo, or cheese to create variations. It's a staple of Spanish cuisine and a favorite comfort food enjoyed by people around the world. Also known as Spanish omelette, it's made with eggs, potatoes, and sometimes onions. It's a popular tapas dish and can be served hot or at room temperature. Gazpacho. Gazpacho is a chilled Spanish soup known for its refreshing and vibrant flavors. It is a classic summer dish originating from the southern region of Spain, particularly Andalusia. Gazpacho is a perfect choice for hot weather, as it is served cold and showcases the delicious, seasonal produce of tomatoes, bell peppers, cucumbers, and more. Gazpacho is typically bright red or orange in color, depending on the ripeness of the tomatoes and the variety of peppers used. It has a slightly thick but smooth texture, resembling a thick tomato soup or vegetable puree. Gazpacho has a velvety and silky texture, thanks to the blending of fresh vegetables and bread. It's neither too thin nor too thick, with a consistency similar to a well-pureed tomato soup. Gazpacho boasts a harmonious blend of flavors. It is naturally sweet due to the ripe tomatoes and bell peppers, while the cucumber adds a refreshing, cool note. The vinegar provides a tangy kick, and the garlic and onions contribute a subtle pungency. It's typically chilled in the refrigerator for several hours before serving, allowing the flavors to meld and intensify. Gazpacho is traditionally served in individual bowls or cups as an appetizer or light meal. Additionally, creative chefs may experiment with unique flavor combinations. In summary, gazpacho is a delightful and refreshing cold soup that captures the essence of summer with its vibrant colors and fresh flavors. Jamon Ibérico. Jamon Ibérico, often referred to as Iberian ham or Spanish ham, is a highly prized and iconic type of cured ham from Spain. It is renowned for its exceptional flavor, distinct texture, and lengthy aging process. This ham is considered one of the finest delicacies in Spanish cuisine. Jamon Ibérico originates from the Iberian Peninsula, which includes Spain and Portugal. However, the finest and most sought-after jamon ibérico is produced in specific regions of Spain, such as Extremadura, Andalusia, and parts of western Spain. The ham is made from the meat of a special breed of pig known as the Iberian pig, Cerdo Ibérico. These pigs are native to the Iberian Peninsula and are prized for their genetics, which make the ham uniquely flavorful and marbled with fat. A key factor in the quality of jamon ibérico is the pig's diet and lifestyle. Traditional methods involve allowing the pigs to roam freely in oak-rich meadows, where they forage for acorns, bellota, and graze on natural vegetation. This diet, especially the acorns, imparts a distinctive nutty and sweet flavor to the meat. The hams are hung in cellars or natural caves, where they are exposed to the region's unique climate conditions. Jamon ibérico can be quite expensive, especially the highest quality bellota variety, due to the lengthy and resource-intensive production process. Jamon ibérico is not only a staple of Spanish gastronomy but also a symbol of the country's culinary excellence. Churros. Churros are a popular and beloved Spanish snack or dessert known for their deep-fried, donut-like appearance and delicious taste. They are often enjoyed throughout Spain and in many other parts of the world. Churros are especially popular as a breakfast item or as a treat served with hot chocolate or coffee. The dough for churros is made by combining flour, water, and salt in a saucepan and heating it until it forms a smooth, thick paste. This mixture is then allowed to cool. The cooled dough is piped through a star-shaped nozzle or chorrera, a special device for making churros, to create long, ribbed strips or loops of dough. These are then deep-fried in hot oil until they become golden brown and crispy. Churros are best enjoyed fresh and hot, right after frying. They are often served in paper cones or bags to absorb any excess oil, and they are commonly enjoyed at breakfast, as a snack, or as a dessert. Churros with chocolate or coffee are particularly popular in Spain, and they can be found at street food stalls, churrerias, churro shops, and cafes. They offer a delightful combination of crispy, slightly crunchy exteriors and soft, doughy interiors, making them a delightful indulgence enjoyed by people of all ages. Fabada Asturiana. Fabada Asturiana is a rich and hearty traditional Spanish dish from the region of Asturias, located in the north of Spain. It is often considered the quintessential dish of Asturian cuisine and is a beloved comfort food throughout the country. Fabada Asturiana is a hearty bean stew featuring a variety of ingredients, including white beans, cured pork, and aromatic spices. The dish typically includes a selection of cured pork products, such as chorizo, spicy sausage, morcilla, blood sausage, and lacon, cured ham or shoulder. Each serving includes a generous portion of beans and meats, with a ladle of the flavorful broth. It is often accompanied by crusty bread and a glass of Asturian cider. Fabada Asturiana is a comforting and hearty dish, perfect for colder months. Its rich and smoky flavors, combined with the creamy beans and savory cured meats, make it a favorite dish not only in Asturias but also in many parts of Spain. Crema Catalana. Crema Catalana, also known as Catalan cream, or crema cremada, is a classic dessert from the Catalonia region of Spain. It is a creamy and rich custard dessert with a crispy caramelized sugar topping, similar to French crème brûlée. Crema Catalana is typically flavored with citrus zest, lemon or orange, and cinnamon, giving it a delightful and aromatic twist. Just before serving, a layer of granulated sugar is sprinkled evenly over the top of each custard-filled ramekin. The sugar is caramelized using a kitchen torch or broiler until it forms a crispy, golden brown crust. This step should be done just before serving to ensure a crackling, caramelized top. Crema Catalana is traditionally served in individual ramekins, and it's a popular dessert in Catalonia and other regions of Spain. It combines the creamy goodness of the custard with the satisfying crunch of the caramelized sugar, making it a delightful and indulgent treat enjoyed on various occasions. Patatas Bravas. Patatas Bravas, which translates to brave potatoes, is a classic and beloved Spanish tapas dish. It consists of crispy fried potatoes served with a spicy tomato-based sauce and a creamy aioli or mayonnaise-based sauce. Patatas Bravas are a popular snack or appetizer in Spain and can be found in many tapas bars and restaurants. The Brava sauce is a spicy tomato-based sauce that gives the dish its signature bold flavor. The sauce is typically made with ingredients like tomatoes, garlic, chili peppers, paprika, vinegar, and sometimes onions. It is cooked until it thickens and is then drizzled over the fried potatoes. The Brava sauce is prepared separately by sauté garlic and chili peppers in olive oil, then adding tomatoes and spices such as paprika and cayenne pepper. The aioli or mayonnaise-based sauce is typically served on the side, allowing diners to dip the crispy potatoes into the creamy sauce as desired. Patatas Bravas are known for their bold and contrasting flavors and textures. The crispy, golden potatoes are complemented by the spicy and tangy Brava sauce, while the creamy aioli or mayonnaise provides a cooling element. It's a popular and satisfying tapas dish that is enjoyed as a snack, appetizer, or even a light meal in Spain and beyond. Pisto. Pisto is a traditional Spanish vegetable stew that is similar to the Italian dish ratatouille. It is a popular and comforting dish, especially in the central and southern regions of Spain. Pisto is made with a variety of sautéed vegetables, typically including tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and zucchini, along with olive oil and a mix of seasonings. Ripe tomatoes are a key ingredient in pisto, providing a rich, tomatoey base for the stew. Some variations may include the addition of chorizo sausage, ham, or eggs, turning it into a heartier meal. Pisto is commonly served as a tapa, appetizer, or a side dish, but it can also be used as a filling for sandwiches or empanadas. It's a comforting and wholesome dish that showcases the vibrant flavors of fresh vegetables, making it a favorite in Spanish cuisine. Sangria. Sangria is a popular and refreshing alcoholic beverage originating from Spain. It is a fruity and wine-based cocktail that is often enjoyed during warm weather or as a festive drink at social gatherings. Sangria is known for its vibrant colors, sweet and fruity flavors, and versatility. Sangria is traditionally made with red wine as its base. Spanish red wine varieties, such as Tempranillo or Rioja, are often used, but you can choose your favorite red wine. Various types of fresh fruit are added to the drink, such as oranges, lemons, limes, apples, and sometimes berries. These fruits add natural sweetness and a burst of flavor. Sangria is typically served in glasses filled with ice and garnished with a slice of citrus fruit or a sprig of fresh herbs. Sangria can be made in various ways, and there are numerous recipes that cater to different tastes. Some people prefer white wine sangria, which uses white wine instead of red, and there are even non-alcoholic versions for those who prefer a booze-free option. It's a versatile and festive drink that's perfect for enjoying with friends and family, especially during summer picnics, barbecues, or gatherings. Mariscada. Mariscada is a flavorful and indulgent seafood stew or casserole that originates from Spain and Portugal. The word Mariscada itself is derived from the Spanish word mariscos, which means seafood. This dish showcases a variety of fresh seafood ingredients, often prepared in a rich and savory tomato-based broth. Mariscada is beloved for its delicious flavors and is especially popular in coastal regions. This can include a combination of shrimp, prawns, clams, mussels, and scallops. Each type of shellfish adds its unique flavor and texture to the dish. It is often garnished with fresh parsley for color and a burst of freshness. Tarta de Santiago. Tarta de Santiago is a traditional Spanish almond cake that originates from the region of Galicia, in the northwest of Spain. It is a classic dessert known for its simplicity, rich almond flavor, and distinctive cross of St. James, La Cruz de Santiago, on the top, made with powdered sugar. Tarta de Santiago is a beloved treat that is often enjoyed with a cup of coffee or a glass of sweet wine. The distinctive cross of St. James is created by placing a stencil or a cutout of the cross on top of the cooled cake. Powdered sugar is then sifted over the stencil, leaving the cross design in white on the cake's surface. Tarta de Santiago is typically served in slices and can be accompanied by a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a dollop of whipped cream, or a sprinkle of additional powdered sugar. Tarta de Santiago is a wonderful dessert that captures the essence of Galician cuisine. Its simplicity allows the rich almond flavor to shine through, and the cross of St. James on top adds an elegant and symbolic touch. It's a delightful treat that's enjoyed on various occasions, including special celebrations and holidays. These are just a few examples of the diverse and delicious foods you can find in Spanish cuisine. Each region of Spain has its own culinary specialties and variations, making Spanish food a rich and diverse culinary experience. Thanks for watching my video.